Come. Hi.
Hi, Isla. Isla and Kathleen are in a teepee of runner
I see
bees.
some bees in there too. They are not alone.
Do you hear the bees? Oh, look at Mom. Look at Mom.
Hi, sweetie. Hi. Hi, sweetie. Is it fun in there? Isla's on a sweet little red chair. Look at this. It was Max's chair. Look at this teepee.
Yeah. A leaf.
It's a real teepee.
Yeah. There. You want to try? Come now. Good. Good job. Where do you want to go? Oh, back. Oh, hang on. Okay, that's going to be hard to get you sitting down. Here.
There you go.
Good.
Here's Uncle Gord.
It's gonna be okay.
Oh, she did it.
Good girl.
Not bad.
Oh,
You got it.
Ooh, that's
Good job.
another degree of difficulty.
Yeah.
So nice.
And a big jump.
There.
All right.